Experience driving perfection in the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. With a friendly and knowledgeable sales staff, superb customer care, and competitive prices, we're looking forward to serving you.